Alright. Diego and I are planning to try and improve the size of the Creekview High School parking lot. It's no surprise that one of the most demanding changes at our school is increased parking capacity. As the classes grow in size every year, that means more and more upperclassmen do not get parking spots. The first step in our process was finding a reasonable location for parking spots.
Our initial thought was to the right of the school in the relatively unused green area by Mrs. Karn's room. Our next thought was behind the school, and that was unused by anyone at the school due to the trees there. The only problem there would be the funding to remove the trees, but we saw the cost to be worth it. Our next step in the process was to find the cost of removing the trees, doing all the other landscaping, and finding the cost of asphalt and paving. Not gonna lie, the numbers are kind of scary.
The biggest problem, in my opinion, is the funding. Now, obviously, the funding for a project like this would be very difficult as we need a lot of money. The initial funding would partially come from the school / the county, although we do not yet have a number for the amount of money we would need to be given, if we would be given any. Our next idea would be a simple yet undeniably effective strategy. Starting a GoFundMe would undoubtedly have an immense impact into the cost because everyone wants more parking.
This got me thinking, what if people were worried about more traffic? As many people, as well as myself, complain about the traffic problems a lot. If we included an exit-only road for the buses to take, they would be removed from the traffic, and it would make adding a lot more cars more plausible. However, that is only a provisional idea, and we have planned an interview with an administrator to give our details and hopefully get some feedback from. After hearing their feedback, we will make changes and have a more finished game plan. Thanks for watching this Craighead.
Also, can't forget Xander,
Our cameraman, that's what's up.
There's a whale! There's a whale!
Where? Where's the
The whale!
Don't
I'm gonna kill it!